go, Dodge Ram. I'm gonna start with these hoses here. Got the fill line and then the evap line. We'll just take those off here and here. Alright, we'll bust the lines loose. Hopefully they come right out. There it is. There's that one. This one. There it is. There you go. Once you pull the tank down, those lines will come out. Alright, now we're gonna undo the straps. The tank's right here. There's a strap bolt up there and a strap bolt up there. Alright guys, we got the jack under it. We got a piece of plywood under it, or 4x4. My little log. I'm gonna zip this guy off. Hopefully they don't fall on us. One down, one more to go. It's never been taken off, so it's kind of a pain.
You don't want to charge you an arm and a leg. Yeah. All right. All right.
Got one down. Get this one down. Here. Try to go down on the tank, see what it does. Look for some harnesses. You put gas in here?
Huh?
You put gas in here?
Where?
It doesn't feel like it has any gas.
Yeah, for $20.
It doesn't feel that way. But we'll find out.
It feels empty.
Yeah.
You think it ran out of gas?
It feels like it did, but it could have ran out of gas and burned out the fuel pump.
When I feel it off.
Alright guys, here's the fuel pump, here's the fuel tank down. We're gonna undo the clamps or the harnesses. There's one harness here, fuel line there, and then their purge here. Purge, harness, and then your fuel line. Let's get it, let's see. Going on here. boys. Got that one off. That one's sticking too bad. And fuel pump's disconnected. All we gotta do is raise the fucking truck a little bit to get this sucker out. Alright, here's the top of the fuel pump. I already took off this piece, which is just a cap right there. I use this tool here, just slide it in on these ports here. You can see where it catches on there. Opened up really easy. First time even using this tool. We got the transfer pump here. We got the inlet there going into the tank. And then we got the outlet out here going to the fuel tank here. Let's see what this thing can do. Let's turn it on. Where's the on position? Right here. No. Let's see. On. Oh, we gotta turn this guy on. Yeah, that's on. Alright, we're sucking, boys. Look at this. It's going through. Alright, that should be that. Again, guys, we're gonna turn it on one more time for you. Here we go. I think you can see there. Guys, this thing is working perfectly fine.
How many gallons is this?
I'm not too sure.
Was it full or empty?
Pretty empty. That we ran out of tanks to fill, so now we're siphoning it from the tank, from the Dodge Ram tank, so all the way through the hoses, all the way to the Toyota Camry here. Freaking flowing like butter. Nice. Hopefully y'all can see me. I'm going back in with the fuel pump. Let's see. Two rubber grommets all the way around. Should be up there. Atta boy. I was getting worried. I was like, come on, dude, freaking going in. Right there. Arrow. It's a straight arrow, and then our space here. Yeah, we got to go back in. Let's go back in here.
Here,
so
you got
light.
it.
Yeah. Here, we got our hose clamp back up here. Hose clamp here. We got the tank up. We're just working on putting the shackles on the tank here. There's one shackle. Let's see if we can find the bolt. We'll just go get the other one. Next the other side. Once we get the next shackle up, it should be a done deal. All I gotta do is fill up. Nope, wrong way. Go down on this. Got it. Socket. I mean the nut.
Huh?
At least I thought I had it. Oh, here it is. Put the nut up. You got a drill joiner, the orange one?
Which one you need?
The orange one?
Orange one?
Yeah.
And you need the socket?
Yeah. Ooh, loud noises. Boom. Get it out, Jim. Thank you. Alright, now we get this next one. Perfecto mundo. Alright, all done there. Here we go, guys. Now that we got the fuel pump back in, we got the fuel tank in, we got the truck all ready. Now after we siphon the gas all out, now we're just putting it all right back in with clean gas, same gas that we had in there. Check it out. Beast, right?
That's gonna help a lot with it when they see that you taking care of the gas and stuff.
Yeah. Whatever gets in here. Hell yeah. Look at that.
That is badass.
I can't wait to show Mighty tonight. Did I turn this off? Alright guys, all done with this job. Fuel tank, fuel pump on Dodge Ram. There we went. And then new transfer pump that I got. Fucking beast. Freaking beast. Can't wait to use it again. That's how badass it is. can make me a lot of money. Appreciate it.